Oh no! Look at my house. It is very messy today. Things are everywhere. I have a lot of work to do.
I know what to do. It is time to do my chores. Doing chores means cleaning and organizing the house.
First, I must get ready. I am putting on my cleaning apron. Now, my clothes will stay nice and clean.
It is important to have a plan. I have a checklist. I will clean the house one room at a time. Let's start here. This is the living room. This is where we sit, relax, and watch television with our family.
Look at the sofa. The sofa is a big chair for many people, but it looks a little bit dirty today.
There is dust everywhere. Dust is very small dirt that floats in the air. I need a duster to clean it.
I am using the duster to clean the television. I wipe the dust away. Now the screen is very clear.
Next, I need to clean the floor. This is a broom. A broom is a tool with long bristles for sweeping.
I sweep the floor. Sweeping means pushing all the dirt into one small pile. It takes a little bit of time. Now I use a dustpan. I sweep the dirt into the dustpan. Then, I can throw the dirt away easily.
Wow! The living room is completely done. Look at my books. Everything is neat and tidy. I feel very proud.
Next, let's go to the kitchen. The kitchen is the room where we cook our food and eat our meals.
Oh my goodness! Look at all these dirty dishes. There are plates, bowls, and cups from our breakfast and dinner.
I turn on the water. The water comes from the sink faucet. I need warm water to clean the dishes well.
This is a sponge. A sponge is soft and holds a lot of water. It is perfect for washing dirty plates. I put soap on the sponge. Now, I wash the plate. I scrub it until all the old food is gone.
After I wash the plate, it is wet. I use a clean towel to dry it. Now it has no water. Look at my clean plates. They are shiny and beautiful. Washing dishes is hard work, but I did great job.
Now I am walking into the bedroom. The bedroom is the quiet room where we sleep and rest at night.
My bed is so messy. The blanket is on the floor. I cannot sleep in a bed that looks like this.
I need to make the bed. I pull the large blanket up. I make sure it is flat and very smooth. Next, I put the pillow at the top. A pillow is soft. We put our heads on it when we sleep.
I have some clothes on the bed. I need to fold them. Folding means bending the clothes so they are small.
I open the wardrobe. The wardrobe is a tall closet for clothes. I will put my clean, folded clothes inside it.
The bedroom is neat and clean. The bed looks very comfortable now. I will have a very good sleep tonight.
It is time to do the laundry. Laundry means washing dirty clothes. This basket is heavy because it is full.
This is the washing machine. It is a big machine that cleans our clothes with water and soap. It is very helpful.
I pour laundry soap into the machine. Soap makes the clothes smell good and removes all the dirt and bad stains. I close the door and press the start button. The machine turns on. It will wash my clothes for me.
Now, I just have to wait. The clock is ticking. Washing clothes takes about 1 hour. I will be patient.
The washing machine is finished. I take the clothes out. They are very clean, but they are still very wet.
I hang the wet clothes on a line. The sun and the wind will dry them completely. This is called hanging laundry.
Let's clean the bathroom next. The bathroom is where we take a shower, brush our teeth, and wash our hands.
Look at the mirror on the wall. It is very dirty. I cannot see my face clearly. I need to clean it.
I use glass cleaner. I spray the cleaner onto the dirty mirror. Spraying puts tiny drops of liquid on the glass. Then, I take a cloth and wipe the mirror. Wiping removes the spray and the dirt. The glass becomes very clear.
Perfect! The mirror is so clean now. I can see my happy face reflecting back at me. Good job!
Next, I clean the bathroom sink. I use a brush to scrub it. Scrubbing means rubbing very hard to remove dirt. Finally, I wash my own hands. I use hand soap and warm water. Now my hands are totally clean and safe.
Phew! What is that smell? Oh, the trash bin is full. Trash is garbage that we do not want anymore.
I tie the garbage bag tight. This keeps the bad smells inside. We must always put trash in a strong bag.
I take the trash bag outside. I put it in the big bin by the street. The garbage truck will take it. I have one more chore. I need to mop the floor. This is a mop. It cleans hard floors with water.
I fill a bucket with warm water and soap. The bucket is very heavy. I must be careful not to spill.
I push the mop across the floor. Mopping removes the dirt from our shoes. The floor looks incredibly shiny and clean.
The floor is very wet now. I put down a yellow sign. It says, "Wet floor." This stops people from slipping.
Wow! Look at my house now. Every room is perfectly clean. It looks beautiful, and it smells wonderful.
I am very tired. Cleaning the house takes a lot of energy, but doing chores is an important responsibility for everyone.
Now, I can sit down and relax. I will drink some warm tea and enjoy my beautiful clean home. Goodbye!